have a problem when it comes to seeing through home projects. I mean, I generally grossly underestimate how much work is involved, and I usually overestimate my interest in doing them. Okay, but in my defense, Pinterest is literally false advertising. Who wouldn't fall for quick and easy, do-it-yourself board and batten? Transform your home from boring to board and batten. Yes, I realize in retrospect, I'm very gullible, but you know what? So are lots and lots of grandmas and grandpas. It's like a whole thing. There's an entire department in the FBI for elderly people who fall for scams. And Chris says I dress like a grandma, so I must be easily scammed. I don't think that my husband knows how I truly feel.
I think it just needs one more coat.
Okay, he might be figuring it out.
So done. No, I'm not done. Don't come in. Not yet.
I don't think my mind and my body are speaking the same love language. I think my chi actually might be disconnected. I read online somewhere that if you get an epidural in childbirth, it will detach your chi. And I got an epidural 3 times. So my chi must have been detached a lot. That could happen.
Oh my gosh, hurry, come here, look at this. I'm gonna paint our bedroom black. Come on, we need to go to Home Depot.